Now this guys is
Bro,
6
French
to
press,
4,
please,
04
dude. The
in
64
Strong's
class just
Battleground.
hacking,
Keep
dude.
killing
Look.
us. That's how he get a win
Nah,
streak
bro,
over a
look.
50,
He's hacking, bro.
63. Like, please owner,
Look.
please ban him. Look what he's doing.
Look, you can see, bro. It's 64 class. Oh my god, man.
Nah, bro, I'm gonna expose this, bro. He going to be banned, bro. France, look.
Owner, please, bro, owner.
Ban him, bro. Ban him. It's not belonging here, bro. Yo.
Bro, look. Look.
6 class. Oh my god. And bro hacking so much because he got exposed na.
Look, what the flip? Look, 6 class. Please ban him, bro. I'm begging you, please. I beg you. Please, bro. Bro, you have anger issue? Bro's teaming on me. Bro, please ban him. Owner, please ban him. Bro, ban him.
Yo, you kill me, right, bro? Nah, bro. No, bro. I'm not going there, bro. Nah, bro, look.
Nah, bro, 6 to 4 class, bro. Nah, please ban him. Please.